Good morning, welcome to Planet Mojo. Today, I'm going to try to get as much of this drywall in as I can, but we have 5 inches of snow coming, so I got to jog all these vehicles around so that the plow can get in here. But I have a dead battery in one of the vehicles, so I got to swap out the battery. I have a brand new battery for it. I got to swap that out, charge it if need be. I'm trying to stay out of the wind here. Charge it if need be. Jeez. I don't know if this wind is affecting the camera or not. These GoPro 6s have a terrible microphone. The slightest little breeze will make a lot of noise on them. But anyways, I got to get that done, feed the birds because they get really panicky when it snows like this, and get some other stuff done. And I got a real busy day with my day job, so we'll see how much time I have. But hopefully I can get at least one, hopefully I can get at least one of these sheets on there. That second one requires that I take everything off the shelf, so that's going to be pretty tough. Maybe I'll get one sheet on and then clear the shelf, and then try to get that last sheet and the second layer on here on the next video. It's coming along though. So let me get started with that other stuff, so I got a little bit of time in here. Okay, I'm really running late now. The battery hold down on the vehicle with the dead battery, the hold down broke. So it took me about an hour to do that, so it's been 2 hours since I started all that stuff. Okay, what I'm doing is I'm putting these drywall sheets in a 1/4 inch off the ground. That's in case you get water on the ground. It's not sitting on the ground and wicking it up. This is moisture resistant or mildew resistant drywall, but you still don't want to soak it. This bottom plate here is treated wood, so that's good to go, but I'm using the mildew proof because it does get kind of damp out here. So when I measure to, let me find my tape measure. When I measure, from the top of the shim, and what I do is get the bottom and top measurement, and then you always do it from from 2 corners, or 2 sides from the bottom, and I will measure both of these boxes from the drywall here. You don't want to, measure from 2 different sides. You'll get some really funky results. So just 2 boxes on this one, and then I'm going to clear this stuff out of here and just take everything off the shelves, pull the shelves off, get that stuff out of the way. Oh, geez, I guess I got to throw it in here. It'll get a lot worse before it gets better, I guess. So let me get on to this. Okay, that will do it. Got one more sheet here, and it only has one opening in it, but then I have the pass-through for the compressor, and I'm going to get that in place. I believe I have the right length. This is what will go there, so it'll be attached on the other side. What I'm going to do is screw it in on the other side and have the nipple come through the wall. And then when I need to put the second layer of drywall in the compressor room there, I'll just take this off and mark where the hole is and put it back on. This will have to get Teflon tape and or pipe dope or whatever I use before it gets put on. So that'll come out right about here. Then I gotta go down and across and connect all the regulator stuff is gonna be right in here. Yeah, this will be nice to get this all done. And that'll give me a chance to get this shelving here organized. I didn't put very much stuff on it because I knew I had to get to this wall. And now everything is ready to rock. The snow started. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's, well, let's take a look. Then I gotta get to work. Yeah, just tiny little snowflakes, tiny hard snowflakes. Yeah, we moved everything around. Got a new battery in the minivan there. Started up, let it run. A lot of stuff earlier. All getting ready for the plow. Okay, I gotta get going. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the update icon so you know when we post new videos. A like would be nice as well. Thanks for watching and have a great day.